I'm Will Sampson from Woodworking Network and FDMC Magazine. We're in the shop today to try out a tool that's designed to work with wood turning to provide decorative burned grooves. Kind of like what you see here. This is an Easy Wood Tool brand wire burning kit. Now, people have used wires to burn in decorative lines on turning before, but this kit makes it really easy. The handles have nice little hooks on them that it's real easy to connect and disconnect the wires. The kit comes with 9 different wires of different gauges and lengths for different size turnings. And it's real simple to use. Basically what you want to do is you cut a light groove with a detail tool in the spindle that you're working on, and that's just enough to seat the wire. And then you hold the handles and apply wire tension, and the wire heats up. You'll probably see some smoke, and it burns in the groove. Let's show you how it works. I'm going to zoom in here so that you can see a little better on the spindle that we're working on. So first thing, I'm going to use a detail tool and cut a couple of grooves here. I'm going to take the wire tool and just hold it in the groove. It'll heat up in just a little bit. See the smoke coming off of it now? There's the groove. I'll do another one here. See the smoke coming off? There you have it. You have to be careful with these. The wire is very hot. So don't put it down in a pile of sawdust when you're done with it. But it's a simple tool. Like I said, the kit comes with all sorts of different gauges of wires, so that you can do everything from decorations on pen turnings and small spindles on up to providing a decorative groove at the edge of a platter or something like that. Very cool. It's from Easy Wood Tools. You can go to their site, easywoodtools.com, and it costs about $50 for the kit, so it's not terribly expensive and makes it nice and easy for doing decorative burned-in lines on wood turnings. That's what we've got for today. You can see more videos and tool reviews on our website at woodworkingnetwork.com or in the pages of FDMC Magazine. Thanks for watching.